Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show with you how to check how many words on this design on Canva. As you can see here guys, this actually guys in Canva don't have any option to direct check on word count on Canva, and but I have for you some easy solution you can do. For example guys, I want to copy this all the text as you can see here on this image, and what you have to do guys, just go to Google and for example copy this one, click copy option as you can see here, and go to Google and click on count word count as you can see here, word count. And what you have to do guys, go to this website and you will get this service here as you can see here, and click check easily guys as you can see here, and you will check how many words on this. As you can see here guys, is 59 words, and this is character. This is how you can check easily guys. I hope this video for you. See you on another video soon.